Have you ever been dreaming of being a professional forex trader, but didn't know how to do it? City of London College of Economics is located in London, UK, offering 100% affordable online courses to anyone. Wait. Before dive into the ocean, let me tell you what is Forex. First of all, Forex means the foreign exchange market. It is the means through which one currency is changed into another. When trading Forex, you are always trading a currency pair, selling one currency while simultaneously buying another. It is the world's most traded market with turnover of $5.1 trillion per day. Now, you have the opportunity. You can do this diploma course and become a currency trader. You can work at home or in your office. Best part is that you don't have a boss. You can have now online Forex Trader Diploma for 3 months from the City of London College of Economics. Let's dive in the ocean. So what you will learn from this diploma: understand what makes the foreign exchange market the largest and most liquid financial trading market in the world. Utilize the latest analytical tools and techniques for making informed trading decisions. Learn how to apply practical, cutting-edge strategies specifically geared towards trading currencies. Discover the most important characteristics of successful foreign exchange traders. This course will be assessed on the basis of one assignment. City of London College of Economics believe doing practical assignments are the best way to assess the ability of the students, is to make them apply what they have learned into practice. Students who are graduates of City of London College of Economics will get advantageous in many fields, like internationally recognized diplomas, because UK degrees are well known all over the world. Courses can be started anytime. For more informations about the course to enroll, please click the link below of the video, so that you can have the payment in a lump sum minus 10% or in installments. Thanks. Good wish for your career. Forever young. We shall overcome in the long run.